With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, here the question is, a point source emitting uniformly in all direction is placed above a tabletop at a distance of 0.5 meter from it. The luminous flux of the source is 1570 lumen. Find the illuminance at a small surface area of a table the A part is directly below the source and the B part is at a distance of 0.8 meter from the source. So let's see the figure here. This is a table top and this is the source here at a distance of 0.5 in the A part, right? So luminous flux is equals to 1570 lumen, which is given in the question. So intensity, that is I, is equals to delta F over delta omega. This is the flux and delta omega is the solid angle. So put the value, the flux is given, that is 1570 and the solid angle is 4 pi. So intensity is this. Now find the illuminance, that is E, and its formula is delta F over delta A. A is area here. So delta F is equals to I cos theta and area is R square. Okay, so suppose this is a source and at the point P, this is R and this is a solid angle and its area vector is something like this. Okay, so it is rotate at this angle theta. So angle theta is here, this is angle theta. So here theta is 0 degree. So put the values here. So here R is given as 0.5. So put that is 15. This is given. So E is equals to, intensity is 1570 and 4 pi into 1 upon 0.5 square. So here illuminance is 500 lux. Now in the B part, the distance is 0.8. So 0.8 from the source. So this is the distance, that is 0.8. So in this direction, the light is in this direction. So this is the angle theta. So this is also the angle theta. So here the cos theta is 0.5 upon 0.8. So here the illuminance, that is E, is equals to 1570 upon 4 pi into 0. The value of cos theta is, that is 0.5 upon 0.8. As we know, the cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse. So put the value into 1 upon distance is 0.8 to this square, and by solving this we get the value of E is 122 lux. This is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.